The Pixii API is now live. This means that you can bring an AI designer inside of your app and produce visuals like this. All you got to do is send an ASIN, and that's it. Look, these are all first try visuals using the Pixii API. They were generated in only 2 minutes with 0 prompts. You can get going in only 10 minutes using Claude Code. Let me show you what you can do with the Pixii API. I'll give you 3 examples. Number 1, I'll show you how to embed these design API into your SaaS tool. Number 2, I will show you how agencies might use the Pixii API. And then finally, variants. We are going to work on this t-shirt, on this Gildan t-shirt. There are like 10 colors and they all need listing visuals and they all need to be consistent. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in minutes using the Pixii API. All right, well, let's start with the SaaS use case. So you have a tool and the missing piece is design. You want to add a design button right inside of your tool. So I'm going to pick a few of these listings again inside of your tool, and now there's a new design button that you've added using Pixii. I'll click that button, give it a second, and just like that, you get 7 visuals optimized for that specific product. I did it for actually a few of them. So here is the Stanley version. Again, all you got to do is send the ASIN and you'll get 7 visuals in 2 minutes. Agencies, you want to automate your workflow. You want to save time for your designers so you can ship more creative faster, help your clients A/B test. Let me show you an example workflow of how you might use the Pixii API. I'm actually going to do this one live. So I have set up a CSV with a few listings that we're going to work on. And let's say that you have a list of products that you're going to work on tomorrow, right? You know the backlog, you've checked in Airtable or Go High Level or whatever tool that you're using to manage your backlog. All right, this is what's next. I'm going to open Claude Code and say, Claude, use the Pixii API to design visuals for 3 listings. Pick 3 of them from this file called Agency Batch 2 on my desktop. Okay, looks like he picked 3. He picked CeraVe, Stanley, and Anker. Takes about 2 minutes per listing. What you would probably do is run this overnight. Okay, so looks like they're ready to go. He worked on CeraVe, Stanley, and Anker, or is it Anker? So let's take a look. Here's CeraVe. Nice. You get the main image, key benefits, and then a mix of visuals depending on that listing. So lifestyle shot, routine, right? Cross-selling other products. Great. Very good. Stanley, white bottle, mostly a white listing, showing that it fits in the cup holder. That's part of their sauce. Okay. And then Anker. Nice. The 65-watt charger. So the key benefit is that the size and the power, showing the size. I mean, that's excellent. Excellent stuff. So you can work with this in your normal design process. You can also have this flow into whatever system you're using. If you're using, I just had it go to my folder, but you can put this in Airtable or Go High Level or whatever system you're using. Here's the coolest thing about the Pixii API. In Pixii, everything you ran via the API shows up in the first brand. So here's the Anker, CeraVe, and Stanley. So why is that useful? Well, this is optional, but if you would like, you have all the editing powers of Pixii. So for example, give her sunglasses. I'm using Spot Edit. I check that out. Nice. Before, after. Very cool. You can also convert to layers. Take full control. My spelling has gotten so bad, and my typing. I use any brand fonts. Download as a layered SVG file that you can use in Figma. And then use all the features within Pixii, like creative strategy, clone, and many other things. Probably the most common use case that I've heard is, I know what listings I'm working on tomorrow. Let me just go ahead and run them overnight so that my designers have a starting point. Now, let's move on to variants. Variants. Let's say you have a t-shirt like Gildan, and you got to make a listing for this shirt, and you have to do it again and again and again because it's also available in black and green and heather and many other colors. You can do it manually, spend days, weeks on this, or you could use the Pixii API and automate it. Let me show you how. I am not technical, so I'm actually going to use Claude Code. And what I've done is I've made a CSV with the ASINs for our various variants. The first thing I'm going to do is design a better listing for the white t-shirt, because I mean, this is pretty sad, and then scale it to the other colors in the catalog. Let's tell Claude just that. Let's use the Pixii API. I need to first design a master listing for the Gildan white t-shirt. And then once I'm happy with that, I want to clone it for the other colors. Take a look at the CSV called Gildan variants in Claude Stuff. Okay, so he's identified the file, and here's a plan. Run listing builder on the white master, generate 7 production ready images, And then once I'm happy, we can clone it to 6 more colors. Yes, let's do it, bro. I changed my Claude spinner verbs to be ratchet hip hop phrases. So right now it says going stupid. Claude says that the white master is ready. Well, that's a strange phrase. Okay, well, let's take a look at the visuals here. Okay, I got the main key benefit that is built to last, a couple lifestyle shots. Man, it's a manly man. Using a saw, cutting, double needle stitching. And then, yeah, they're selling you on the variety pack. Get a bunch. Okay, great. So what's next? You can modify this in any tool. And all Pixii needs to clone these to other visuals is just an image. So you might already have a master you like, and you can clone it. Like I said, you can use any tool to do this. You can also use Pixii. So hit refresh. And yeah, there we go. The white master listing is here in Pixii. Let's go back to Claude and say, all right, these are great. Let's go ahead and run them on the color variants. 420 credits. Today's 420. Makes sense. One thing to keep in mind is with the API, it's super easy to burn through your credits. So get familiar with it before you ship it to production in whatever, if it's your SaaS tool or your internal workflow, just make sure you're a little bit familiar with it. Okay, it looks like 5 of the 6 color variants are done. The rest hit the rate limit. I've been using the API like crazy today. So yeah, that's on me. Let's have a look at forest green. Yeah, nice. Sport gray, coral silk. Yeah, that's awesome. Navy, black. All right. Just like that with maybe, 5 or 10 minutes of my time. And then we have a master listing and color variants done for Gildan. Again, these are available to you in whatever your workflow is. You hit refresh within Pixii. They are also here. I can't wait to see what y'all build with it. Please do share your feedback as we continue to improve the Pixii API.